Hello and welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Hello, today we are tackling the sweater project. We need to do this. I want to at least wear it once before this Vlogmas is over. It's already day 15. There's only 10 more days left. Chop chop, Natasha, come on. Hold on, let me show you progress on my Olaf. Progress, one second. Okay, so this is what Olaf is looking like so far. The teeth threw me off. I definitely ruined it by doing like this little bottom stitch across because I left a little gaping hole, so I was like, I gotta fix it. But we're doing pretty well. Like, it's not horrible. Could it be better? 100%. But it's not horrible, so we're gonna keep going. So I'm going to finish this, don't know when. I still have to get the orange for the nose and then the brown for the arms. I have to go to Walmart at some point and get that. But now, that's a lot of work. I'm gonna brainstorm what's gonna happen here. I saw this thing on TikTok. Also, sorry, I didn't put the TikTok video for yesterday's cake that I made. But to be honest, it was more of an inspiration and not what the cake actually was, because my cake did not look like the cake. It's not like it looks so bad that it didn't look like the cake. It's just that I pretty much just took the tree idea and then the rest I kind of free-handed it and thought it and put it on the cake, right? Okay, so I need to think of what we're gonna put here. We need to do something. It needs to say Vlogmas. Maybe, I don't know if I need to put it here or I need to put it in the back, because I still don't know the placement of this. Maybe this could go right here, you know, like on the side. Like if this is the sweater, it could go right here. Or it can go on the sleeve. All great questions. I don't have the answer. But I'm also thinking maybe I could take different fabrics and write Vlogmas and stitch it on here. Let me Pinterest some ideas and then I'll get back to you. Okay, I found an idea. I'm gonna put the picture up over here so you can see it. Varsity style lettering. Now, the question is, what material am I gonna use for this? I'm gonna see if I have some fabric in the house, because I know I have some arts and craft box somewhere. I have to have fabric, so I'm gonna go look that up and see if I have any. And if I don't, then I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some. Let me look for it first. I don't have the material. I don't even know where my arts and craft box is, so we're gonna have to make a quick Michael's run, because I really wanna do this today. Okay, we have the idea. We're gonna do varsity sort of lettering. I need to get fabric. I'm out of breath, I just came up from the stairs. I'm out of breath, okay? Sweater, right? Vlogmas, established 2020. Oh yes, loving that idea. And then, so it's gonna be varsity looking letters. I'm gonna need 2 colors. And then I'll put the Olaf here. Or maybe the Olaf won't even go here. We'll see. We'll see the materials that they have once we get to Michael's. Okay, I am back from Michael's and now it's time to do the activity. It feels really festive with the tree on the back. Like, hello. Okay, let me show you what I got. So online I read that they use felt and hopefully it withstands washing. So I got felt in a beige color and then I got it in white. So my thought process was we'll do a white background with like beige lettering. You can see the difference between the colors. And then I also bought a red one because I want to do established in 2020 in red with the white background underneath. So my plan is like, if this is a sweater, I'll do Vlogmas and then established 2020. And then I got the orange and the brown for the Olaf piece. I only got one of each because the brown is only the arms and the orange is only the nose, so I'm not gonna need that much. And then I got green sewing string. And then I got green, why can't I think of the name of this? Sewing string, no. Sewing strand. I can't think of this name. I got a green color, so when I'm stitching the 2 letters together, then there could be a green outline. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put my stuff aside and I'm going to print out the letters of Vlogmas and established in 2020, and then I'm gonna cut those out and trace them on here. Wait, how do I do this? I print them, cut them, put them on here, trace them, then cut this. But I need to print 2 sizes for each letter because one is going to be the letter and then we need a little bit of a bigger one for the outline. Okay, first let me start looking for a varsity font and then I'll go ahead and pick the sizes and print those out. But I do need some sort of measure to see what height and width each letter is going to be to see how big I can print them, because I want Vlogmas to be as big as possible, but I also only have limited material, so I want to use it properly. Okay, so let me figure that out and then I'll chime you back in. So maximum 32 centimeters. Vlogmas has VLOGMAS, 7 letters, 32 divided by 7. Each will be about like 4.5 centimeters wide, but then I need to think of spacing between each letter, maybe make each letter a 0.5 centimeter spacing. So 32.5 minus how many letters? So starting V space, L space, O space, 4.2 centimeters wide and 7 meters tall for the big letters. Okay, I need to write all this math down so I can put it into thoughts. Okay, I printed my letters. I just let go of the math and just picked a font that was varsity-like, but I'm feeling like it's too small. Now that it's all printed, let's cut it out first, place the letters, and see. But I wish the letters were a little bit bigger. So I'm just gonna cut the letters, place them out, and if there's a lot of space, then I'm gonna reprint it and pick a bigger size. Also, I wouldn't print 2 rows. I'm like, sir, you're making me waste paper. Disrespectful. Okay, I laid out all the letters and it's actually looking cool. Let me show you this way. Vlogmas established 2020, and I'm going to cut them out and lay them here, trace them, and then cut them out, and then cut out the outline and then lay it in the second color so I can get the smaller lettering. I feel like this is gonna be tedious work, but I think it is gonna be worth it. If I do it with calmness, with patience. I have a Netflix show going on. I'm watching Are You the One season 2. So as long as I have all those qualities, I think it might turn out really great. Do I think I'm going to finish the shirt today? No, but do I think that I'm gonna do at least 1 letter today? Correct. So maybe I'll just start with the letter V, do it from start to end, and then see what it looks like. And if it doesn't look good, then we're gonna have to re-strategize. I don't wanna like cut all these and cut all these and then find out that I don't even like it. So that's the plan. Let's do the V, see what it looks like, and then I'll show you as I go along. Okay, I cut the V and then I cut a little piece of felt. I tried drawing on it, but if you can see, it's so faint that I think I'm just gonna put it on like this and then cut as I go along, and hopefully it'll look good. People, this is gonna take absolute years. I thought I was gonna do this fast. No, that is not the case. The amount of time that it took me to cut out this thing, and it's not perfect, oh my days. No, no, no. This is gonna take so long, and I still have to do the inside. Why do I pick such difficult activities? I just want it to look cute. Watch me, I'm gonna end up buying transfer paper. That's what I'm gonna do. I try to be crafty and then it's too much. I'm gonna end up buying transfer paper and being like, you know what? No, let's just print this out. This is sad. I'm gonna try to make the V. If that goes horribly wrong, we're gonna have to reevaluate the plan because we need to finish the sweater. I wanna wear it. I'm cutting out the outline. If you can see, the V is outlined because it's varsity, and then I'm cutting out for the smaller V so I can make the smaller, so I can put it in the beige one because the outline is in white, and then the beige part is the smaller V. Here we are still. Okay, so is it perfect? No. Does it look good when I put it on the sweater? Yeah, it looks like cool and vintage kind of looking. The stitches aren't the straightest, but here is the V. Here's the V. I don't know why I skipped L, but I'm currently working on the O. Here you go, that's the O. And when I put it on the sweater, it looks really nice. Like the color combination with the green, the beige, the white, and the gray. So I'm gonna finish the O, and I'm definitely gonna leave the other letters for another day because just the cutting process takes a very long time. And I still have the entire the rest of the word for Vlogmas and established in 2020. You know what? It might just end up being Vlogmas because if it's taking this long, but I do like how it's looking. Like when you look at it with the sweater, let's see if I can show you. Like if this was stuck like that, it looks nice. It looks nice, I like it. So I'm gonna continue working on the O, probably wrap it up after that. Sorry that today's video was short. Today it was just, I did a lot of resting and sleeping and just like on my phone and relaxing. So I didn't start Vlogmas until a little bit later, but I definitely still wanted to work on the sweater and vlog for you guys today. But hopefully tomorrow we're back on track. I really need to wake up early these days because the sunlight here is only till 4:30, and after that it's pitch black dark outside and it's sad. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.